everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My channel name is Siji English Wala. My name is Pankaj Devangan. Today topic is very interesting and the today topic is very simple. Today topic is how to describe your life in English. Yes, you heard right. And I know little bit in English. In spite of having little bit knowledge of English, how to describe myself, my daily life in English. If you face this type of problem and you can't express what you do, what will you do, what did you do, this method. And if you follow this method on your daily life, definitely you will be able to speak about your daily routine in a simple and effective manner. So let's start today topic. First thing is that describe what you do on your daily life. Yes, what you do in your daily life, just describe your own word. You don't need to any grammar rules, grammar patterns, grammar structure. You can use only simple sentence to describe your own daily routine. When you wake up, then say, you can say, I wake up early in the morning, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, and I go for a walk, and I go to the gym. You can say simply your own word what you do in the morning time. It's all about your daily routines. Just explain into English. And second thing is that what you do in your daily life, just focus on that thing. Whatever comes in your mind and what you observe, what you see, what you listen, what you do something, just describe all of thing in English. Because if you describe this thing, it means you are upgrading, you are improving your English language by in this language. So this is a very important thing. If you follow this method on daily basis, definitely you can describe your own daily routine in your English. Second thing is that you wake up early in the morning, describe all of things, what you see, what you feel. Second thing is that in afternoon, what you do in afternoon, just describe your afternoon activity in your own word. What will you do? Suppose you are a student, then say you can times you go to school and with whom you meet today and what subject you study in school and what you learn new in your school. You can describe. And third, in the evening times, if you go outside, what you see and what you observe, just describe this thing in your own word. If you follow this method on daily basis and you try to describe all of things in your own word on daily basis, definitely your English will be improved and you will be good at English and you are able to describe your own activity in your own word. So you will have to follow this method on daily basis without missing a single day and try to speak only simple sentence. Don't try to speak advanced and tricky English structure. You don't need. You just need simple and easy words you know well. Just describe the things in your own word. You need to practice. You need to develop a habit of speaking English. And if you do these things on daily basis, definitely your English will be improved and you will be able to speak your daily routine in your English. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share, and